Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Smith Bay, and today's video is another freaking hair video. As you can see, if you watched the last one, I dyed my hair, and now we're gonna try to naturally curl it. I haven't really ever posted anything about my hair. And it's because I've been very ashamed of it. I can honestly say that. Because I don't know, my hair wasn't the European standard. When I moved to the area that I live in now, it was a lot. It was like a big culture change. So I was just not comfortable really showing my hair. I permed it and all that. And yeah. So now, well, I've been doing my natural hair journey for a good couple years now. And I feel like this summer I've been really trying to wear my natural hair more. I feel like I fell in love with my hair more when I started dyeing it. But yeah, I have 4C type hair, so all of the rumors you heard of it is true and not true. But definitely, it is, for me, I can say personally, if I do any of these styles, natural hairstyles on here, my hair just won't stay or hold, and that can get pretty annoying. So if y'all know any like products that's really good for 4C hair that will actually like hold, like please let me know in the comments. But before I actually jump into this video, I just want to give a reminder to you guys, check on your friends, check on your family, especially if you haven't heard from them in a while and they just randomly pop in your head, check on it. Not too long ago, I just found some devastating news that a friend that I went to school with is no longer here, and I didn't know. And they've been gone for like a good 4 years now, and I did not know about it at all. And it's just sad because it's like especially when you don't even know that someone has passed that you had like a connection with, or whatever the relationship is. It's really sad to like not know, right? So I just kind of wanted to bring light to that, because I just feel like we're so caught up in our own lives sometimes that we forget to check in on people, and whatever it is. If you guys stop talking, you beefed, whatever, you know what I mean, and you guys stop talking, I just feel like it's still important to check in on people and make sure they're good. But yeah, just wanted to bring that up. I got these these are the rollers I'm gonna use. I got these at Dollarama. They were like $4.50 for the pack. I got more today because I was kind of scared if I didn't have enough, but I feel like I have more than enough. But yeah, it says it's for short and long hair. I would say my hair is in the middle, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, I'm gonna take sections, but I want my sections to be a bit smaller. Not too small, but like I don't want them so big, because I'm like thinking like perm kind of style. But yeah, so yeah, I saw they take a bit of mousse. I think I took a lot. And you like saturate it like that. This one is just that one's so big. I think I need a smaller one. Oh. I'm like, how do I curl it? Guys, I'm already struggling. This is not fair. Okay. Alright. Okay. So that's the one. I just hope this works. Like, I don't even know. Problem. Well, it actually looks kind of cute though. The colors are coloring, but I have more to do. All right. Oh, my arms are tired. All right, we have like 3 more blues, but I don't think I need all the blues. Or maybe we do. That's just not my problem. Okay. I have too much energy at this time. And I'm definitely finishing watching the episode of Squid Games because I'm watching part 3. Drop in the comments if you're watching Squid Games. But I'm watching part 3 now. It came out on Friday. And you have time to watch it on Friday. But yeah, that is this. So let me like turn to the back and show you the back. And the front. So let's put this on. Alright. Okay. All right, so we're going to let this sit overnight. So we're gonna let it, what's the word? Air dry overnight. And then I will return tomorrow and do the little reveal. It might be a part 2. It might be in the same video. We'll see what I feel like doing. But yeah, we have put on this. I don't know if I should put on my This is like I love putting this on. This is like my favorite. My mom gave me this like years ago when I was like a kid, and I still have it now. And that store that she got it from, they're not operating anymore. It's like my favorite head tie. I don't know if I should put it over somehow. Let me put it there. But yeah, we are, wait, hold on. Yeah, I just want these curls to curl. So we're gonna put that over. Now my head looks hella big. I want to be able to like sleep properly because I know this silk bonnet is gonna fall off my head for sure. And last night I was fighting some demons in my sleep. Not gonna lie to you, man. I was twisting and turning and twisting. Like I was like literally fighting. I don't know who, but yeah. But anyways, guys, this is the end of this video. It might be a part 1, it might be a part 2. We'll see what happens, what I end up doing. But we will be back, God spare, tomorrow or later today with the results, the takedown. So stay tuned for that. Literally, it's been in all night. And back. But yeah, we're gonna take it down, and I'm hoping it curled. So let's do the takedown. So I want to do it on camera. I can't really see. Okay. There is a curl. There is a curl. Okay. I'm just hoping it curled the way I wanted it to curl. Because literally I'm going out today. I'm running a little bit late. But here's what it is. It happens. It happens, okay? But, alright. Okay. I'm like, I need to take it out before I put on my makeup and stuff because I just don't know. Because if I'm going to have to curl it on my own if I don't like it, then yeah. I put a lot of curlers in here because I want that like nice little perm kind of look. So the last time I did this style, I was in middle school and 1 year of high school. And then I went all natural, but it did curl. So ooh, okay, I don't like how that came out. Just hoping it, because like I said, I gotta go. I hope my hair can't be a flop. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. It did curl though, so I'm happy for that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So this is it. Now let's see if I break it up a little bit, if I'm gonna like it. It's a little, you know, just a little bit. I should have did this earlier in the morning because I have to go and I don't think I like it, guys. I don't think I like it. It curled, but I might have to pull up the curler. This can't go on. This is not like what I was expecting to happen. So I said, having 4C hair is just nothing works for us, man. Nothing works. I don't know. I gotta like look in my mirror and see, because I'm trying to, but I don't think I like it too much. And I'm not going out looking like this. I'm sorry, but I don't want to put it in a ponytail either. I knew this was probably gonna be a flop, But this is how the end looks like. Okay, let me check in the. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm going to be kosher with you guys, but no, there is no way. There is no way. There is no way. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's it for this video. We did not like the end result, and I'm gonna have to quickly curl my hair with my curling iron because we're not going out. Like, there's no way, Jose. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and we will definitely see you in the next one. This was definitely a fail, because what is this? There's no way. Like, there's no way. No. Okay, anyways. I'll catch you in... Oh, I thought my thing turned off. We'll catch you in the next one.